Guys, welcome back to Naturallee. Today we are doing rosemary video. We are taking a look at rosemary, what it does to the hair, how you can use it to promote your hair growth, and also how you can make it yourself at home. So this is me playing around with the rosemary I bought. Yes, I bought a lot. I like to buy a lot of herbs. I like to buy them in bulk so that I'm able to use them. In this video we are doing rosemary hair spray that you can use on your scalp and your hair. Research has proved that you can use rosemary to promote hair growth, yes, but you have to be consistent with using rosemary. So yes, rosemary is able to promote your hair growth. It's able to revive dead follicles. If you experience a lot of shedding, rosemary is a good substitute for you. Yes, it is an aromatic herb you can use in cooking as well. I really love rosemary, and I feel like sometimes we underuse rosemary as a herb in general. So you can see that I'm just using a little rosemary because it's very effective and it's very potent. I added a little water because I don't want it to be too much that it will have to smell later if I'm not done using it. So after a while, I let it sit for a while and then I go ahead to strain it. Depending on your hair porosity, you can decide to use this every day. You can also decide to use this every other day. So once you are done straining it, you are ready to use. You can use it in your braids, you can use it on your scalp, you can use it as a herbal rinse. There are several ways you can use rosemary. Do not limit the use of rosemary. So I'll be ending here for today. If this is the first time you are stopping by, please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.